How to appeal the suspended X account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to appeal the suspended X account. Most of the accounts it suspends are suspended because they are spammy or just plain fake, and they introduce security risks for X and for everyone using X. These types of accounts are against the X rules. Sometimes a real person's account gets suspended by mistake, and in those cases, it will work with the person to make sure that the account is unsuspended. It may suspend an account if it has been reported to it as violating their X rules surrounding abuse. When an account engages in abusive behavior like sending threats to others or impersonating other accounts, it may suspend it temporarily or, in some cases, permanently. If you think that your account was mistakenly suspended, you may be able to unsuspend it. If you log in and see prompts that ask you to provide your phone number or confirm your email address, follow the instructions to get your account unsuspended. Your account may also be temporarily disabled in response to reports of spammy or abusive behavior. Then, file an appeal and they may be able to unsuspend your account. If you're unable to unsuspend your account using the instructions here and you think that it made a mistake suspending or locking your account, you can appeal. First, log into the account that is suspended. Then open a new browser tab and file an appeal. To deactivate your account, you will first need to file an appeal. If you've appealed your suspension and still need to deactivate your suspended account, submit a request. Requests can also be addressed to the contacts listed under the How to Contact Us section of their privacy policy. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.